Here at CEATEC Japan, but were you able to see them yourself?
I was quite busy. I was not able to get on the floor that much, but when I did, I of course checked out the digital video cameras because they were very exciting and they drew quite large crowds. And also, I visited the next generation video disc displays, Blu-ray and HD DVD, and I was able to visit some booths that had the next generation of large panel high-definition TVs, large flat-panel TVs. Yes, and it was very exciting, and you could tell which areas the visitors liked most because there were some areas with crowds around them, and then there were other areas with interested people, but it was pretty obvious that people are interested in digital convergence, and they're really trying to find out where digital convergence is going.
Okay, now let's go back and take a look at some other exhibits on display at CEATEC Japan 2006.
It is quite unusual for retail store to participate in CEATEC. This is a vending machine that was released by the convenience store chain AMPM. This could be useful in offices located in the upper floors of high-rise buildings.
賞味期限が切れた場合はですね、自動的に機械の方で感知いたしまして販売を停止する、売り切れランプがつくというシステムになっております。
The machine can be restocked with warm food within several hours to a half a day, as the inventory is sent to headquarters as a data. In the future, all the consumer electronics can be controlled by cell phones with the development of wireless network connection technologies.
このサービスはですね、今皆さん方の家庭にあるこういうエアコンだとか冷蔵庫とかこういう白物家電をですね、ネットワークでつないでいろんなサービスができる。例えば携帯電話で外出先から家電機器をコントロールしたりとか、センサーなんかもつなぎますとホームセキュリティのようなサービスができたりとか、省エネのようなサービスができるとか、そんなことが実現できる。
Sharp demonstrated their compact translation device.
こちらは弊社製のポケット翻訳機になっています。例えばこちらにあります認識音声認識のところをですね、使って日本語で喋ります。コーヒーをください。
I would like to have coffee, please.
GPS car navigation systems are very popular among Japanese drivers.
まもなく左方向です。
Pioneer introduced their navigation system with a 3D display. This is the booth of ROM, a semiconductor manufacturer in Kyoto. This is a demonstration of their silicon carbide transistor. The high-frequency silicon carbide transistor accurately controls the magnetic waves, so the egg does not fall. This transistor can be adapted for use in linear motor trains in the future. This is the demonstration of Murata Boy. Developed by Murata Manufacturing Company, a major microelectronic component manufacturer. Meet Murata Boy, the bicycle integrated humanoid. He is 50 centimeters in height, weighs 5 kilograms, and his hobby is bicycling. Equipped with the company's shock sensor, gyro sensor, and ultrasonic sensor, Murata Boy is able to slowly maneuver his bicycle without wobbling or falling.
Well, I guess cutting-edge technology isn't only for television. We just saw a robot riding a bicycle. How was that possible?
Yes, that's Murata CEATEC-kun. He's become a regular star at CEATEC every year. This year he appeared on stage on a bicycle, and I think as you saw on the screen there, he was doing some very, very precise riding of his bicycle up on the stage there. Yes. That actually points out one of the key factors about CEATEC Japan, and that's the presence of the components and the device makers. The maker of Murata CEATEC-kun, that robot that we saw, is actually a components and device maker. And CEATEC is unique among shows around the world because you get to see the technologies behind the products. At CEATEC, you could see the semiconductors that make the high-definition products possible. You could see the components that make it possible to create a little robot like that. This is a very special part of CEATEC Japan, and actually more than half of our exhibitors are components makers. And we're very proud of them because they point out the leadership that Japan has in being able to make these products possible. So CEATEC is unique because it's in Japan, and Japan is unique because there's the broadband infrastructure for digital, and there's also the hardware infrastructure, the semiconductors makers. It makes it a very special show.
Okay. I'm sure CEATEC Japan will continue to play an important role in the advancement of technologies worldwide, but moving forward, are there any challenges or problems or issues that CEATEC Japan might face?
CEATEC Japan is a stage for new products, for prototype products, for trial products, and the important thing there is that digital convergence means that users will decide what the future of technology is going to be. Users will decide if they want to watch TV on their mobile phone, if they want to watch TV on their game player, if they want to watch TV in their living room. The users really have control now, and it's going to be very important for the exhibitors at CEATEC to be the one to get that product, to get that technology that grabs the consumers and wins their hearts so that they can win above the competition. Because if you're at CEATEC Japan, you know it's a very competitive exhibition. Everybody is bringing out their best. So I think in the future, the main issue for our exhibitors is going to be winning the hearts of the consumers by becoming the most innovative and by giving them what they want.
Well, I'm sure I'm not the only one looking forward for next year's CEATEC Japan. Well, Mr. O'Brien, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Let's keep an eye on what Murata Boy will be up to next year. You just saw